providing you the solution of our final lab of Trivia March Week 1, Skill Boost Arcade Trivia March 2025 Week 1. Okay, now before starting solution of this lab, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the remaining 3 labs that you can access from the playlist, and link of the playlist would be in the description box, or either click on the I button to access this playlist. Now without wasting time, open this lab. It would be a very easy lab. It's a quiz based lab. Okay, it's a quiz based lab. You simply have to give the answer of the question, and I already started the lab because you have to spend minimum 3 minutes in this lab in order to get the green tick. Otherwise you won't get the green tick. That's why I already started the lab, so we don't have to wait. Okay, मैंने पहले lab start कर दी थी. Now I will give you the direct answer. The answer for the first question is Google Forms. Click on the submit, you will get the green tick. For the second one, it's Google Sheets. For the third one, it's sort function. For the fourth one, it's filter data, and for the last one, fifth one, it's text wrapping, and the sixth one is round function. Once you click on the right answer and click on the submit button, you will get the green tick for all the questions. And once you get the green tick, you simply have to wait minimum 3 minutes in the lab. And once you spend more than 3 minutes, you can click on the end lab button. मैंने 3 minutes से ज़्यादा lab spend कर लिए हैं, इसलिए मैं end lab पे click करूँगा. Click on the end lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give. And click on the submit button and come back to main page to verify whether we actually get the green tick in the lab or not. अब हम check कर लेंगे main page पे कि हमें lab में green tick मिला या नहीं. So open the module and you will see that we get the green tick beside our lab. And like me, if you already completed the all 4 labs, then the badge for the arcade trivia March week 1 should be visible in your profile. वो भी check कर लेते हैं. Click on the icon, click on dashboard. Let's quickly check this. Okay, click on the dashboard, scroll down and open the badge. Click on view badge. And you will see that under the badge section, the badge for the trivia March week 1 should be visible to you, and it means you successfully completed the whole challenge. So if you like the video now, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.